Everybody calls it the Sugar Shack. Well, it's just a coffee house and it's made out of wood. Espresso coffee tastes mighty good. That's not the reason why I've gotta get back up to that Sugar Shack.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Jack Homestead. My name's Chris. Doing a short video here at the request of one of my viewers, Gary Everett. Gary asked me to talk about my maple syrup vacuum filter that I made and what I used to make it. The pots that I got, the stock pots I got from Walmart for like 13 bucks. There was 2 in a package. I bought those. The part that I used to filter my syrup and put the filters in. This was something that we had in the house, but you can probably use the lids for that, drill holes in the lids and do it that way. I had a sheet of rubber matting left over from when I put on my tractor floorboard there, and I had some left over, so I made a gasket out of that material. And then on the inside here, I would take this apart, but you got to heat this part up, and I don't want to do that. So, which if I did, I should have done it earlier. So anyway, the parts that I got in here, I got a 1-inch nipple that's threaded on one end, so that I could put this threaded 1-inch elbow in, and the elbow is face down into the pan, and this way you don't suck syrup into your vacuum cleaner when you don't have anything there. If it's just a direct straight across, nothing pointing down, it's going to suck syrup in, so you don't want to lose it, and you don't want it going into your vacuum cleaner and making a sticky mess. And then here I have black pipe, a piece of black pipe that I had here at the homestead, and I also had an extra double nail barbed fitting that I put here. This is where I attach my small vacuum cleaner shop vac to this, and also in between the wall of the stock pot and this fitting here, I have an O-ring in there to help with sealing the unit up. How I normally do this is I put my seal here around the rim, put this on there, and then I'll put my felt filter and then my pre-filter into that, and then I will take my turnbuckles that I have here, and I'll put one here on the lid or the handles of the stock pot on the bottom, like so, and then I will lift this edge up, put that turnbuckle there, and then put the other turnbuckle on over here, and screw this down to create the seal for the stock pot. So now that we have our stock pot sealed and ready to go on this part of it, that's how I seal the two, crank these down, plus the vacuum will help pull this down and help with the seal. The filters that I use, this is a pre-filter that I bought at Tractor Supply, but you can get them offline. Anywhere else that sells maple syrup products, you could probably buy this stuff. These are maple syrup filter. They're a 24 by 30 inch sheet, pretty wide. What I do is I cut the circumference down here at the bottom of my inside of my top part of the filter, and I'll make a few of those, and then I have my felt filter that I use, and as you can see here, that I had made 2 of them this year where I cut them out. I want to say the price for the pre-filter stuff that was like, I think $10 or something, $9.99 and change. And I can't remember what this felt filter cost me. I bought it at a local maple syrup dealer here in, I think it's Rome, Pennsylvania. And I can't remember what I paid for this, but I'm sure you could buy this offline too, or go to CDL or any of the other Smoky Maple. Those guys, they can help you out with that. Order it offline and get yourself that filter. But yeah, so that's how I made my vacuum filter for this is Clyde. Like I said, this is what I use to filter my sap, filter my syrup this year. It worked pretty good. There was a lot of niter in there. I do not add DE to my syrup too. Like I said, I am just a hobbyist. I do it for fun. I do it for the grandkids and families, and some of it I do sell. Some of it I do put down at our farm stand. But I'm not one of these guys that makes $1 million off of that. It's got all this equipment. That filter, vacuum filter, probably definitely save me hundreds of dollars. Because if you go to buy one of them, and they're pretty expensive. I think they range from anywhere from maybe $300 up to, God, who knows how much, couple $1,000. So, okay, guys, that's it for today's video, this evening's video. I appreciate it, Gary, for requesting a video on how I made my vacuum filter, and I hope this helps you out. And for you new people that are just joining us, checking out our videos, please subscribe, hit the notification button, hit comment, and make sure you guys share these videos. Syrup season isn't over here yet. I mean, the sap stopped running, but I still have to put my equipment away, and I'm going to do a video on that here pretty soon on how I put my equipment away and clean my equipment and get it ready for next year. So until then, guys, God bless. Be kind to one another, and we'll talk at you in another video and all that good stuff. Bye-bye.
There's a crazy little shack beyond the tracks, and everybody calls it the Sugar Shack. Well, it's just a coffee house and it's made out of wood. Espresso coffee tastes mighty good. That's not the reason why I've gotta get back up to that Sugar Shack.